Hi my cotton candy dandies, how are we all doing today? If you're new here, my name is Mia and I basically craft, that's about it. I'm gonna try and breeze through this intro because I have a feeling this is gonna be a long video. I've not started editing out of genuine fear, but just to like set the scene, what are we doing today? So we're making an advent calendar. It's pretty extra, I'm not gonna lie. It's really cute though. I'm thoroughly happy with it. The whole idea behind it, right, is that life in Melbourne over the past 2 years has been I would like a refund. In terms of records that nobody wanted to be part of, we've been the most locked down city in the world. That was fun. It's just been rough. It's been rough, it's been boring, and the thing is, me and my partner are both English. We met over here and none of our family live over here. So Christmas is like weird. It's warm, which is just sacrilegious. It's just underwhelming, right? And we've had an underwhelming 2 years. I am determined, okay? Christmas started in November and it's gonna be great. I'm making it happen. So I've built this like big old advent calendar. Each day is, some is gifts, some are like activities, some are Christmassy things to do just to like spread the festive cheer. Anyways, let's get into it. If you enjoy this, like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that good shit, and yeah, let's start. The plan of action here was always to deck out a doll's house to be super cute and Christmassy and put loads of gifts inside. We started out on a little bit of an L here, not gonna lie. Initially, I won this bad boy on eBay. Now, God, like imagine decking this out with lights and painting it. It would have been so cute. But then the seller cancelled the sale and broke my little heart. So we did a Ross from Friends and pivot. Now, recently I've been somewhat rediscovering my love of drawing. I've always had quite a doodly illustrative style, and a few recent projects have brought that more to the forefront of my brain. I started making these really cute air dry clay Christmas grotto tree ornaments. That was a weird sentence. And then it hit me. I could totally get a normal doll's house and just paint it, and it'd be really like kitschy and cute. So that's the new plan. Find a flat doll's house and pimp it out. Let's go. Okay, guys, immediately I think this is gonna be a lot easier than I was anticipating, because I had this weird idea in my head that it was gonna come pre-assembled and that I was gonna have to paint like vertically, but everything is just in really handy little pieces, as you can see. So I'm just gonna paint the designs onto the outside ones, because honestly I'll just get confused if I do both at once. So we'll start with the outside, and then I don't really care about the inside, so I'll just spray paint that white, I think. Okay, now I am not great at drawing, definitely not good enough to give anyone a tutorial. So I'll just tell you the method and show you what I did and hope that's sufficient. So once everything was spray painted, I used black acrylic paint to block out the windows and doors, and then I used fine line paint pens to add the detailing. gave you a sneak preview at what is inside the advent calendar, and then we'll wrap everything and put it inside. Let's do it. First of all, we have an assortment of Christmas themed Lego. My partner loves Lego, so I thought it'd be great as festive decor, but also a fun activity for him throughout December. D is really into his skincare, so I got him a little face wash and shave set. He's also a really good cook and loves recipe books, so I got him some healthy eating cookbooks. I also have some little DIY cooking related gifts. I'm gonna make him a bit closer to December, so check back for those. You may have been able to tell from the Lego, but my boy loves a good puzzle and is addicted to his Rubik's Cube, so I got him a harder one. Our cat Boris is legit our baby, so I also got some fun toys and festive costumes for her that he can try dressing her up in throughout the month. On the festive theme, I also got some solar powered Christmas decor. Little koala, how cute. Got some festive candles, yada yada, some more practical things, some clothes. Afend is a great sustainable brand. They do really quirky clothes, just pulling it out there. Oh, and a bike bag. Fun. I do have more of his main gifts to get because we're basically doing bougie advent calendars instead of one big hit on the 25th. And of course, I am making some stuff too, but I think this is a great start. I hope you guys got the vibe we're going for here. It's less about like tons of expensive gifts, more just about having loads of festive fun and goofiness throughout December and just having a really fun month. But that's it for the gifts so far. Let's wrap and take a look at the final product.